comes from Paddy Row at the old Lammas fair in Ballycastle. Oh, I seen her home that night when the moon was shining bright from the old Lammas fair at Ballycastle. Oh, at the old Lammas fair, boys, were you ever there? Were you ever at the fair in Ballycastle? Oh, did you trade your Mary Ann to some Dulcin yellow man at the old Lammas fair in Ballycastle? Oh, in Flanders fields afar, while resting from the war, we drank bon santé to the Flemish lassies. Oh, but the scene that haunts my memory is kissing Mary Ann, her pouting lips so sticky from eating yellow man. We crossed the silver margie and strolled across the strand from the old Lammas fair at Ballycastle. Oh, at the old Lammas fair, boys, were you ever there? Were you ever at the fair in Ballycastle? Oh, did you trade your